Hello guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to download Mail on your PC. So the first thing that we need to do to download Mail is to open Microsoft Store. So to do that, all we have to do is to click on Windows, logo, and here we're going to search for Microsoft Store. Or if you have it pinned, you can find it right here. So let's open it, then we are going to search on this search bar for Mail. As you can see, Mail app is right here, so let's click on it. Then to start the downloading process, all you have to do is to click on Get. Then you have to wait for it to download and install on your PC. As you can see, Mail just got downloaded, so let's open it. Now all you have to do is to sign in on your Mail account and you can use which mail you want on this app. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.